Looking for a lightning cable that charges your Apple devices quickly and reliably? The Amazon Basics 6-foot lightning cable delivers ultra-fast charging when paired with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger, powering your iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes. It's compatible with a wide range of Apple products, including iPhone 8 through the latest 12 Pro Max models and iPads. What sets this cable apart is its Apple MFi certified chipset, ensuring seamless compatibility with your devices. That means no frustrating connection errors or slow charging, just smooth syncing and power delivery every time you plug in. Whether you're transferring music, movies, or important files, you'll get high-speed data transfer up to 480 megabits per second, saving you time and hassle. Durability is another strong point here. Built with premium materials, this cable has been tested to withstand up to 10,000 bend cycles. Plus, the textured grooves on the connector ends improve grip, making it easier to plug and unplug without slipping. It's designed to last, even with daily use. A real user review from the U.S. highlights the value. One customer gifted this cable to their sister for charging her iPad and was pleased to find it at a fraction of the cost of Apple's official cables. Both were happy with the performance and price, showing this is a smart choice for anyone looking to save without sacrificing quality. If you want a dependable charging cable that won't let you down, this Amazon Basics Lightning cable is worth a look. It combines fast charging, data transfer speed, and durability into one affordable package. No more worrying about frayed cables or slow power-ups. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? Try the Amazon Basics 6-foot lightning cable when you're ready to enjoy faster charging and a cable that stands up to everyday wear. It's a simple switch that makes a noticeable difference for your Apple devices.